bigger. He can wrestling with Mimi.
White snow falling down all around. Let's go outside, play on the ground.
On the floor.
Snowflakes dancing, winter's here. Laughing and cheering, full of cheer. Snow fun all day long.
I have 4 dogs.
Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, coal for the eyes. Hat and scarf, he's just the right size. Oh, snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground.
3 years old.
Carrot for the nose, coal for the eyes. Hat and scarf, he's just the right size.
Mimi for December 15.
Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Oh, angels spread like so much joy. Winning 2 games for every girl and boy. Hot cocoa after warm and sweet. Winter days can't be beat.
$100 a month.
Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Snow fun under the sun. Winter magic fun for everyone.
Insurance is very costly. So I have 4 dogs, so roughly about $100 a month to keep them healthy and have a lot of food, treats, etc. Leash. My dog chews a leash and chews a harness, so change it often. So Mimi used a leg to get Tabby down, and Tabby is like, that is a little bit rough to play, but they like to play together. Mimi's tired. No, she's not. Oh, she still wants to play. Mimi's tired. No.